Good morning, patrons. Welcome to Options Center. That is Tuesday, 8:47 in the morning, 6/7/22. Just wanted to do a quick update for you. We are still in this boxed in area, so it's still considered a consolidation type area. Now you can go by the bodies and say that, hey, we're breaking down from it, and I do like that as well, but we're not officially until we can get underneath these levels. And even better would be to get underneath the support here. But you see that we backed off of this resistance point here, and now we're breaking down from the 8 EMA. We may hold that today, or we may or may not, but here's what I'm looking at from this perspective. I just want to show that consolidation on the daily, and then we'll go down to 65 and check things out there. So we had this triangle that we drew out, and we're breaking down from that triangle. But we're not rushing. Of course, the order flow is not through yet. Our target is still 4,000 area by the end of the week. And we did back test this triangle and also the really important 4100 area. So it's been a magnet. If we continue to the downside, then today I would imagine if our count was correct that we'd continue down. But here's what I'm looking at from the Elliott wave perspective. Now, considering that this was a wave 4, we were looking to see if this would be a wave 4 triangle. We made it all the way down to 382. We just took our retracement from the bottom of wave 3 to the top of wave 3, and we got all the way down to that 382 retracement, which says our wave 4 could be complete, and I do believe it is now. So it got down to that point, and then this truncated 5. So we have wave 1 down, 2, 1, 2, a small 1, 2, and then an even smaller 1, 2, and we're starting to head down, doing our 1, 2, 1, 2s. That's what I had yesterday. This is doubtful. I'm not even sure it's part of the rules that you could have a leading diagonal down for a 1, 2 here, but I am prepared for that. So I do think our 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we start going down into the wave 3s are happening now, but it seems so lethargic. And if we do happen to have some sort of bounce, then that to me would be our 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we start heading down into later this week into next week, where we're trying to complete our first 5-wave series for a larger degree wave 1, and then we'll go for a wave 2 then and continue to the downside. So that's just what I want to show today. It looks like we're kind of bear flagging right here. So perhaps once we get our order flow in at the bell ringing, that we just start to head to the downside. But our key pivot to look out for today for those two scenarios that I was talking about is the 4100 area. So keep an eye on that, and we'll go from there. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.